You will always get my haircut. Fucking shit!
Yeah, man.
Oh! I can't do it. I can't do it. And you taking something. When I reach your lane. You ready? Kill him, I can't reach. Wow, you get the dicks.
Okay, I'm gonna tend to get this, right?
Okay.
Right?
What? I can't
Why?
move again.
Yo, Mark should get a come over.
Let me get this one.
Drop for this
Man
one.
drop, man drop, man drop, man drop, man drop. I stole it!
Oh, he did it! He did it!
The god.
Box?
Mine!
No!
No!
Right, Gabe, got it. Trust me, Gabe.
Box? Is that you? Did you
Yeah,
just man drop
box
on
is
them?
here, guys.
Box?
It's books.
Box?
So easy. Wow, man, give me an opportunity. We're gonna show off my box. Yes.
Box,
You can't even jump. And there's oh.
Ah, shit!
Jordan. Help me. I've ever done. Eat.
Oh.
What do you think you're? Oh, you're going back in. You want to go?
Oh, I'm back in.
After I
Put me in,
go.
Oh.
Oh, you're so.
Marcus Joffrey in the wild.
Oh,
Marcus Joffrey. Oh.
He's dead. Or no,
You allow me, Gabe? Are you gonna allow me?
Yo, Mark. Why are you so good at this game?
Yo, Mark, your dick is so big right now.
Yeah, Mark. Actually, you're still sick. Oh,
Don't let it go. Okay, you just went limp.
Mark.
You
Mark, you went limp.
you just went limp.
I'm gonna call you limp.
Limp sanity.
Whoa.
Gabe.
Oh!
Ball's life.
Ball's life.
Oh,
Fishy's life. No.
I'm kinky.
What?
GG.
There it is.
Easy.
There it is.
Mark, you're gonna die.
And there goes Mark, not finishing the game. There it is.
Oh, Mark's not taking no damage. Mark's not taking no damage.
There it is.
Mark,
Oh,
you're
yeah.
oh, there he is.
No
He's taking
damage.
damage.
What is he? Oh my
Oh,
god, Marcus.
you did it.
Let's go.
Mark's like taking no damage, and they start taking damage.
What is this?
Jeez.
Mark was just like, time. Oh, they said no damage? Stone to destroy.
You're watching Lorenzo.